Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of smartphones with our review of the OnePlus 12R. Now we all know that finding the perfect smartphone can be a challenge, especially when you're trying to balance performance with affordability. But does the OnePlus 12R strike the right balance? Let's find out. The OnePlus 12R is not your typical budget smartphone. Priced at $500 for the base model and $600 for the higher end variant, this device packs a punch without breaking the bank. From its sleek design to its impressive specs, the OnePlus 12R aims to deliver a premium experience at a fraction of the cost. Taking design cues from its predecessors, the OnePlus 12R sports a familiar aesthetic that's both sleek and modern. With its curved edges and signature camera bump, the device exudes a premium feel without the premium price tag. Plus, with options for both 8GB OneNote, 28GB, and 16D2, and C156GB configurations, there's a model to suit every user's needs. While Oxygeno's 14 may not be as feature-rich as some of its competitors, it still offers a clean and intuitive user experience with minimal bloatware and customizable options. Navigating the OnePlus 12R is a breeze. However, the lack of long-term software support may be a concern for some users. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, the OnePlus 12R delivers excellent performance across the board. Whether you're gaming or multitasking, this device handles it all with ease. As for the camera, while it may not rival flagship smartphones, it still captures impressive photos and videos for everyday use. In conclusion, the OnePlus 12R offers incredible value for money with its powerful performance, sleek design, and affordable price tag. It's a standout choice in the budget smartphone market. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of its more expensive counterparts, it more than makes up for it with its unbeatable price to performance ratio. If you're in the market for a new smartphone that won't break the bank, the OnePlus 12R is worth considering. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. As always, feel free to leave your thoughts and comments down below. Until next time, take care and happy smartphone shopping.